Hi, I'm Billy from Arlon, and this is Michelle from Arlon, and we're here to talk about SLX Plus.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing today?
That's great.
So tell me about this product. What sets us apart from our competition?
You know, the repositionability of it, it's got a light, low initial tack because of the FLITE technology that it's involved in. It really allows installs by yourself, or if you have to get it done much faster, because it'll snap up and slide.
Right.
So easy.
Absolutely. So why don't you tell me about, like, you know, when you said something about the one person install, like what helps it to be easier to install for the one installer?
The light initial tack lets the film float over the vehicle and doesn't necessarily need to snap it on until you apply pressure.
Right.
So me being able to remove the whole backing and put the product up.
So you mean like the easy liner release?
Yes. Because of that easy reline release, it allows the FLITE technology
They're not
to
fighting with it
job.
at all when they're taking it off. Like, it's just comes off so easy.
It is. I can do it by myself. And the fact that sometimes installs need to go a little bit faster, it makes it easier for me to get the job done accurately.
So one of the other things that I like about this is, you know, with all the new cars that are coming out and a lot of stainless steel, and it is a better product for that, right?
Yeah, this actually film is rated for stainless steel. So your appliances, your Cybertrucks of the industry, I know.
You're seeing more and more these days, so definitely.
Everywhere, but it is rated for stainless steel, and the removability is great off of the product as well on the Cybertrucks and your appliances. This is also great for fleet graphics.
Yeah.
So it's easy, one person install. You can do a couple fleets a week, no problem.
Yeah, so it works really well in like those deep channels and conforming around the rivets and, you know, door handles.
It does. It hugs the rivets. You know,
that's awesome.
Nice and tight. It makes it look great. And the fact that you can really execute everything you need by yourself is the key ingredient here.
Yeah. What about laminates? Because, you know, we have in our travels, we see that people have a different interest in different laminates, especially the installers. Like some like the cold install, some like a thicker laminate. What do you recommend for like the cold install?
I think the 3220 series is a great laminate.
Really? For cold install? I was thinking more the 3210.
Well, I guess it depends on what the installer would like. Is it a 1.3 mil or 2 mil thickness? However, the 3210 does operate better in colder climates. But it's an installer's preference. I can't pick and choose for them, but either way, both of the laminates are going to get the job done.
Yeah, that's true. We also like to talk about durability because, you know, that's a big thing on everybody's mind. And we do have several laminates to offer for this. So like our 3170, which is more of a, you know, that cost-conscious laminate with the SLX Plus, the durability is a little bit less, right? So
yeah, you're going to get a little bit less durability because you have a high cast and you have an intermediate cast.
Right.
So the longevity is going to come down just a little bit, but you're still going to get optimum performance out of this vinyl.
Absolutely. And that's also a 1.3 mil, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And then we have the 3210, which we were talking about, better for the cold installs. That's about a 5-year. And then our 3220, which comes in.
Oh my gosh, multiple flavors.
Yes.
Gloss, matte,
absolutely,
satin, luster. And in case you didn't know, our 3220 gloss series is actually UL 40 non-slip rated.
So it's a great multi-purpose laminate.
It is. It's
great for SLX, vehicle wraps, and multi-purpose. That's great. When I'm on the road and people always ask about like ICC profiles and print quality. And, you know, we have a really great link for all your IC profiles for your printers and for all our SLX Plus. But, you know, it works on all printers, don't it?
Yeah, actually the ink compatibility on this ability is eco-solvent, solvent, UV, and latex.
Wow.
So anybody who's printing in the industry right now can really utilize this product.
With the same brilliant color. And
yes, it's going to have the same bold, vibrant, brilliant colors that work with all printers.
It's great white point for those, you know, those color matches you have to do. Yeah. So, you know, the one thing I like to say about SLX Plus is, you know, for your vehicle applications, it does go a wide array of, you know, vehicles and product and cars and like,
because it's a cast film,
yeah,
it will allow you to do box trucks, trailers, fleets, automobiles. I've even got people using it on boats. It's motorcycles. It's a great multi-use.
Golf carts. I can't believe how many golf carts people are getting wrapped these days. That's incredible. If you have any questions about SLX Plus or any other Arlon products, visit LexJet.com/Arlon.